Let go of me. To start, I lost my way. Got pulled into the mess I made. Didn't know which road was mine, but I kept pushing through the static lines. It broke me down, called me aside, but I won't crawl this time. I'm pushing the button, I'm breaking the cage. The devil can't hold me, I'm done with the chains. I'm pushing the button, I'm taking back my life. I won't fade out, I'm ready to ignite. I'm ready to ignite. I've been the wrong one, torn apart, but still I carry one last spark. Seen people fall with no one near, and I swore I wouldn't disappear. What's left to prove? What's left to choose? I won't be the one to lose. I'm pushing the button, I'm breaking the cage. The devil can't hold me, I'm done with the chains. I'm pushing the button, I'm taking back my life. I won't fade out, I'm ready to ignite. Let the ground split, let the sky bend. Devil won't drag me back to the end. If the weight hits, I won't collapse. Every broken moment turns into a comeback. Wrong turns made and the scars still sting, but strength comes back when the echoes ring. Saw too many fall with no one near, swore I won't disappear. Questions echo, answers hide. Still something sparks inside. Still something sparks inside. I see the path now, I feel the shift. I'm done being dragged down by all this shit. If pressure builds, I won't collapse. I'm standing up and not turning back. I'm pushing the button, I'm burning the past. If I fall, I rise up twice as fast. I'm pushing the button, I'm claiming back my life. The devil won't break me,